Welcome everyone to my channel. Today I am going to show how to repot Alocasia plant. This is a wonderful, great plant you can keep in low light. This is the Alocasia plant which I am going to repot today. Now I am going to inspect the plant for any of the damages in the root systems. Some of the roots are being rotten and only we are having few number of roots. So in these type of plants we have to be very careful for watering. After repotting we should water very little. Now I am going to select the pot for this plant. I have chosen 12-inch pot because as the plant is very large, due to wind it may fall, so we have to be cautious about this pot selection. According to the size of the plant we have to select. The soil which we have to choose must be drained very fast and it should be weightless, and there must be more air space. So I am adding some perlite which is available in the market. In Amazon also it is available. If you use perlite in this with this mixture, you can able to get more air pockets inside the soil and the root will be grown very fast, and also it is support the drainage also. Now our potting mix is ready. I have filled the half portion of the pot with soil. Then I am holding the plant in the middle of the pot so that it can stay right for potting. Now I am filling the pot gradually in each and every side, and we should make sure that all the sides should be filled and it should be tight, because make sure you have to fill the soil up to the crown of the plant. Don't fill above that because the new leaves has to be arise from there and it will get rotten if you fill above that. This is the way the plant look after repotting, and it is steady. Thanks for watching and share with your friends.